Hello, welcome to Physio Instructors. I'm Marlin, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating a stretch for the neck flexor and rotator muscles. This will be a good stretch for people with text neck syndrome or even the vulture neck. This stretch can be done in the seated or the stance position, but it's more recommended to do it in the seated position because that gives you a better stretch. So we'll start by targeting the left flexor and rotator muscles. All right, so we'll put the right hand on the forehead and slightly move it backwards while moving the neck towards the right shoulder. We hold this stretch for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back to stance position. Repeat on the other side. So this time the left hand goes on the forehead. Begin to move backwards and towards the left shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in the initial stages, we may want to do it simultaneously on both sides, but going forward, it's important to do it individually on one side before coming on the other side. So maybe the target is to do 5 seconds, 5 reps on one side before moving to the other side, because that gives us a better stretch than doing it simultaneously on both sides. So that has been a stretch for the neck, rotator, and flexor muscles. This is Physio Instructors. Thank you for watching.